How to download YouTube videos for offline watch. This tutorial shows you how to save them directly in the app for when you don't have a connection. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. From there, find the video you want to save and tap on it to open it to offline. After that, tap the download button located just below the video next to like and share. At this point, choose a video quality if prompted, since higher quality takes up more storage. Following this, tap Download to begin. Give it a moment while the video finishes downloading in the background. From here, once it's done, tap the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, tap Downloads to see every video you've saved. Following this, tap on any downloaded video to watch it without needing an internet connection. Keep in mind, downloaded videos through YouTube require an active premium subscription, and they don't stay downloaded forever. They'll expire after a certain period and need to be re-downloaded if you're still offline. That's how you download YouTube videos for offline watch. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.